To log in to Enterprise Client Virtual Desktop from off-campus, you must have a properly enrolled 2FA device. For enrollment instructions, visit it.wustl.edu/2FA. On your computer, open an HTML5 compliant browser. An updated version of Internet Explorer, Chrome, or Firefox are the recommended browsers. If you're using a Mac, Safari will work if the OS is 10.8 Mountain Lion or newer. In your browser, navigate to fmd.wustl.edu. Then click on VMware Horizon HTML Access. Enter your WUSTL key ID in the username field, and in the passcode field, enter the word push. Approve the Duo push sent to your 2FA enrolled device. Then, back on your computer, enter your WUSTL key password. Make sure the domain is set to accounts, and select Login. If necessary, double-click the Washington University All desktop icon to launch it. Now you're logged in and ready to go. Some of your applications will automatically log you in. To access your email while on your virtual desktop, open the Outlook web app. You can still access the full version of Outlook on your local desktop. You can toggle between your local desktop and your virtual desktop by minimizing your virtual desktop. To re-access it, just select the VMware icon on your taskbar. Once logged into a session, it will follow you no matter where you log in, such as from your home, to the coffee shop, to the office, or in the exam room. For additional security, the screen will lock after 15 minutes of inactivity. Simply use your WUSTL key credentials to log back in and pick up where you left off. If you need to lock your computer, select Send Ctrl-Alt-Delete at the top of the window, and then select Lock this computer. If it's been more than 4 hours since your last login, you'll be prompted for your WUSTL key password. Your session will open right where you left off. It's important to note that your session will automatically reset after 13 hours and any unsaved work will be lost. So remember to save your work often.